just bought this house and got it under deal where the lady called me from one of my websites, right? And that's what I do with SEO. It's what my agency does. We build websites that get people who are looking, for example, to sell their house fast. They call me, and that's exactly what these people did. They had a nice home, as you can see. It needs a little updating, paint. A couple of issues. I got a foundation guy coming over right now. As you can tell, it's a beautiful home with a beautiful backyard. This is really how you do it, guys. As you can see, we step outside. This is in a beautiful neighborhood where people, it's a very desirable neighborhood. So the only houses that we pick up are not just old ugly houses, right? We also buy pretty houses, just like the one you see here. And as you can see, when you look around and pan around the neighborhood, when we step out here, you can tell that this is in a very highly desirable neighborhood. So if you come on out here and kind of pan out this way, Will, kind of look around the neighborhood, you can see it's next to beautiful homes. This house has so much potential. It's a very nice home, like a great family home. And this is how we do it. So guys, hi, I'm Xavier. If you want to learn how to do this, be sure and check out wholesaleandrealestate.info. We're crushing it out here buying houses. I'm going to pull about 6 figures on this, almost 6 figures profit. Get on there, learn how to do this. You can do it. Catch you on my channel. Subscribe.